Hello lovely, I'm Veronique from HerMJ.com. Today we need to talk about colour. Did you know that Dorothy's magical slippers in The Wizard of Oz were first created in silver? They were based on the original novel, but to make a statement in Technicolor, they were changed to red. Those legendary ruby slippers were handmade and originally designed in an Arabian style with the curl at the front. But the design was soon rejected, and then the slippers were adorned with heavy glass beads. Too heavy for the slippers, so they were replaced with stunning burgundy sequins and dyed red. That's when the iconic design became what we see today. If you've already watched my previous video, you'll know that I was off to see The Wizard myself. A new screening of The Wizard of Oz presented on a 360-degree screen. Such an incredible experience. Beautiful ruby slippers made me think about the color red and how it impacts our lives. Red is so versatile. It can be presented in so many ways, from eye-catching refinement to bold statement pieces. Each commands attention, something that they share with the colorful ruby slippers recognized worldwide, transcending fashion across cultures and generations. When Dorothy puts on her slippers, they draw your attention first, almost before you register her expression. That's because the color red symbolizes power and transformation. When she wears them, she's just not a girl from Kansas anymore. On her, they symbolize the awakening of a new power, and they create a sense of wonder. Imagine the whole movie filmed in black and white. It wouldn't give you the same feeling. But when Dorothy wears those magical slippers in ruby red, we're transported and in awe of their beauty. Red has been used as a symbol of awakening and power in several of our favorite movies, from Dorothy's shoes in The Wizard of Oz to the red pill in The Matrix. Other others you can think of, what is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'm Veronique from HerMJ.com. If you like this video, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you again.